Once you have signed up for summer reading and you need to go log your reading, I'm going to show you how to do that today. First of all, since you already have an account, you can click where it says login. You will type in your username and password, whatever you have set up, and click the login button. Once you're in the account, you have the options to switch programs, enroll. You can add more children if you need to. We're assuming you're all done with that. So we are going to log in the children's program for our child that I named Mary Hunt Library. So first of all, I'm going to switch to their account. And it's going to go up and it's going to show what badges have been earned so far, how many points have been earned, and so forth. So in order to log reading, you're going to click the button that says log reading, or there is a button on the left side that says logging. So you can choose either one of those. When you click log reading, for children, it is counting minutes. So you would say, well, we read 30 minutes. You can put a book title if you would like, but that is not required for children and teens who are logging time. And so once you've entered in however much time it is, you simply click submit. It's going to say that it was saved. It's going to show how many points have now been earned. You also have the option of logging our missions, which are those activities that you will see on the reading log if you get a paper reading log. And for those, you click on go to mission to see what the activities are. And then if you did one of them, say you attended a library program and you want to get your points for doing that activity, you click where it says complete now. It says, did you do this? You say we did. You click complete, and now you've got the points for that. And look, we've even got another level. And that is how you log your points in READsquared. It will pop up and tell you when you have earned prizes, so you know when to come to the library and collect those as well. And it's as easy as that. Hopefully this helps you with using READsquared. Of course, if you need any help or further information, you can check out our website or give us a call at any of the libraries.